the easiest way to hand knit a chunky scarf.
Begin with the slip knot and then make 3 more loops. So you're just grabbing the yarn and pulling through the loop 3 more times. So you're left with a chain that looks like this. And each loop should be approximately 2 to 3 inches. From there, place your fingers inside the loop and grab the yarn and pull through. And you're going to do that for each individual loop. And again, aim for about 2 to 3 inches in size per each loop, but it doesn't have to be perfect. That's the fun part about these chunky scarves, is the imperfections is kind of what makes them cool looking. So here we are, and we are left with 4 loops, and we are just repeating the process again. And we're basically doing that the entire scarf. And that's how you hand knit a scarf. Follow for more crochet tips and tutorials.